Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that we have finished our GK syllabus and now I'm making these videos with your book itself, and we are going to do revision using your book itself. As you can see on the screen that our today's topic for revision, that is different landforms. Now regarding different landforms, you have been given what are landforms. See children, we are living on a land and we have that particular kind of a land. We does not living on a slopey area. We are not living in a desert area where almost sand is there all everywhere. We are not living in that area where we have only and only trees. So that particular area is called forest. So we have different landforms. See, our country, India, or if we'll observe different countries, they are made up of different kind of landforms. In one country, you will be finding different kinds of a landform. Like one place you will find a plain land, but similarly on the other side, you will find a mountain area or a hilly area. Similarly, in our country also, in India also, you will find it out somewhere like here we are living on a plain land, plain area. But if you will go on higher altitude, you will find it out that the people, those who are living over there, they were living in certain kind of hilly area or mountain area. So that is another kind of a landform. So now next, what is that? Next kind of a landform is the landform where we have only forest like tropical rainforest areas and all. So that is also comes in a different landform category. So children, today we are going to see these different landform and we are going to learn that which place of our country is basically having that kind of a landform. So let's start with that first one. You are at a place which is very hot and dry. You are at a place which is very hot and dry and you can hardly see any plant around. You are in a now the area or the landform which is very hot and dry and you can hardly see any plant around means you are in a desert, means you are there in a desert area. Now come to number 2. Now about desert area, that in our country, mainly in Rajasthan and some part of Gujarat also, you will find it out that particular desert area. So what kind of a that desert area? That desert area which we found over there, that is quite hot. The weather almost that is wet and that is dry weather and you hardly see any plant. There you most of you will find it out that cactus you will find it out over there because that cactus has a fleshy stem and it can store water inside it and whenever water is required they can retain. Now one of the common animal which you find it out in desert, that is camel. The people, those who are living in desert area, they use camel for moving from one place and camel is used for carry their loads also. And camel, that's why only camel is called ship of the desert. Now why it is called ship of the desert? Because the camel is having a padded feet and with that padded feet that camel can easily walk in the sand. when that camel will standing in that sand, and that camel can easily walk because that padded feet does not move inside the sand. Fine. But if we will try that we can walk over the sand, you will find it out that it is difficult for you all to walk over the sand, because when you will start walking over the sand, your feet will move inside the sand. So what next? The people, those who are living in desert area, they are rich in their tradition, culture. You will find it out different dance form over there in Rajasthan, Kali Belia dance, and they enjoyed that kind of a dry life, dry hot and dry weather, because they were living over there from such a long period, and they are quite habitual for that. Habitual means जिसकी आदत पड़ जाती है. लाइक वी वर लिविंग इन प्लेन एरिया, हमें यहाँ प्लेन एरिया पे रहने की आदत है. अगर हम सडनली विल गो टू शिमला, तो शिमला में हमें तो वी नीड 6 months टू मोल्ड आवर बॉडी अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट एनवायरनमेंट. हमारी शरीर को, हमारी बॉडी को इट टुक सम टाइम to mold according to that environment. So that is very important. Now number 2, you are standing on a flat land which is between two hills or mountains. Standing on a flat land which is between two hills and mountains. It means you are standing in a valley. Fine. The space between two hills or mountains. See, if you will go to Shimla and some different places, you will find it out that mountains are in continuation, but in between you will find it out some of the plain flat land also, and all those market and everything was made on that flat land only, and many of them are making their houses on that flat land only. So that flat land is called valley. Now, the life is very difficult in that valley part, because risk are high, that here also mountain, if some landslide will happen तो उसमें हम दब सकते हैं. And all the roads were made on these flat land only, which is in between two mountains. So all the transport will go from that road only, उसी road से सारा transport भी जाएगा, and these are at high risk. यहाँ पे रहना, वैली में रहना, survive करना, that is quite higher risk. Now we'll come to third one. Third landform is, you are at a place where there are large number of trees. You can see in the picture also there are large number of trees, animals and birds. You are in a, see, it is not possible that in your surrounding or in your that residential area you will get these many number of trees or these many number of large trees. Large trees we will found only in forest areas. In forest area they will get plenty of rainfall, sufficient sunlight, so that plants are also growing, and that kind of a area we are getting over there, this kind of a landform, that is forest. And in our country you will find it out different types of forest: tropical rainforest, monsoon mangroves forest, and different kind of a forest you will find it out. So these many numbers of forest will help them to provide shelter to different types of animals and birds. Different types of animals and birds, they are getting shelter into it. And nowadays you have heard about that uh, few of the animal become endangered, means they are at high risk. Why it happens? Because here I'll give you an introduction of endangered animal also. Endangered animal means the animals which are in danger, which are going to be finished. Why? Because nowadays what happens that due to some agriculture purpose, due to industrial purpose, the human being, they are cutting down the forest, and while they cutting down the forest, it takes lot of space which is required by our wildlife. So they are at high risk if they do not have space. Where do they live? So they are at high risk, they started dying, and they will become endangered species, or a few of the species get extinct also. Now what is the difference between extinct and endangered? Endangered मतलब जो अभी ख़त्म नहीं हुई है बट उसके ऊपर खतरा है. खतरा मतलब दे आर गोइंग टू बी फिनिश, धीरे धीरे वो ख़त्म हो रहे हैं कहीं ना कहीं ड्यू टू सम ह्यूमन एक्टिविटी और ड्यू टू सम काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटी विच वर डन बाय अस. तो वो धीरे धीरे फिनिश हो रहे हैं, दैट इज़ एंडेंजर्ड. बट एक्सटिंक्ट मतलब जो ऑलरेडी फिनिश हो गए हैं एंड यू वोंट बी एबल टू फाइंड इट आउट एनीवेयर. सी आई टेक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ स्मॉल बर्ड. आपको पता होगा आपके घर में आसपास, इफ़ यू विल टॉक टू योर मदर, पापा से बात करेंगे कि पहले स्पैरो, गौरैया बोलते हैं हम उसको, विल कॉल इट गौरैया ऑल्सो. तो स्पैरो इज़ क्वाइट कॉमन इन द सराउंडिंग. आपके घर के आसपास आपको स्पैरो, बहुत सारी स्पैरोज आपको मिल जाती थी पहले. बट नाउ अ डेज दीज मैनी स्पैरो यू वोंट बी एबल टू सी. बहुत कम अमाउंट में. दे आर ऑल्सो गेटिंग एंडेंजर्ड, वो भी एंडेंजर्ड स्पीशीज़ के अंदर ही आती हैं. दीज काइंड ऑफ स्पैरोज, दीज आर ऑल्सो कमिंग बिकॉज अभी हमारे घर के आसपास या हमारे सराउंडिंग में वी डू नॉट हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट. पॉल्यूशन बहुत बढ़ गया है. दे डू नॉट हैव दैट ट्रीज वेयर दे विल लिव. तो ड्यू टू ऑल दीज रीजन दैट sparrows are also getting endangered. So these are the important things about forest. And this third landform is forest, which is very important for animal and birds as well as human being also. So many herbs, so many things we are getting, like rubber, and then different herbs we are getting, which is used, different medicinal plants we are getting from these forests. So this forest is very important for animal and birds as well as for human being also. Now let's come to fourth one. You are standing on a raised platform or raised flat land. You are on a, now what is raised? Raised land means the land which is the plain area which is going on, and due to thunderstorm or due to windstorm, एक तरफ से वहाँ का सारा मिट्टी या कुछ भी उड़ करके इट वॉज कलेक्टिंग ऑन वन प्लेस, और वो एरिया जो है वो नॉर्मल प्लेन एरिया से थोड़ा सा ऊपर उठ जाता है. सो दैट इज़ योर रेज्ड फ्लैट लैंड. So where you are on a, yes, you are on a plateau. You are on a plateau. Fine. Plateau is what? आपको पता है कि ड्राई जो आपके एरियाज़ है और जो हिली एरियाज़ या जो प्लेन एरिया, स्पेशली जो ओशन के आसपास वाला जो प्लेन एरिया है, they were getting many like many that kind of a thunderstorm. और वो thunderstorm की वजह से वो क्या होता है, मिट्टी उड़ करके और एक जगह पे डिपॉजिट होनी स्टार्ट हो जाती है. after few years you will see that that particular area is looking like वो थोड़ा सा दूसरे एरिया से उठा हुआ है, ऊपर उठा हुआ है. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड प्लेट्यू. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? प्लेट्यू बोलते हैं. नाउ नंबर 5. Now this plateau you will find it out near like that dry area, that desert area, and somewhere near hilly areas also. Now number 5, you are on a land which is higher than number 5. You are on a land which is higher than the nearby area and has a slope. You are on a hill, obviously on a hill, because that slope is there in that hill area. So that slope only signifies that you are standing on a hill. Now, tidbits: nearly 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water, means 75%. But that water is found in different water bodies such as oceans, seas, rivers and lakes. These are the different water bodies where we find it out. 3/4 of our water. Fine. Actually what is there, हमारे अर्थ पे बहुत सारा पानी है, but that all water we cannot drink because most of the water is found in the water bodies, that is in ocean. तो ओशन का पानी तो हम नहीं पी सकते, that is not healthy for us. तो वो क्या है, वो उतना पानी हम नहीं पी सकते. So we have only 0.1% of pure water, that is groundwater, which we can use for drinking, which we can use for all our purpose. So that water is only useful. Even we can use the water of river and lake, but we cannot use water of sea and ocean. So with this we have completed our landform, different landforms. So first we have done desert area, and I have told you like desert area means where we have hot and dry weather, and generally in Jaipur or in Rajasthan and Gujarat we will find it out this kind of a desert area. Ship of the desert is called as camel, because camel can easily walk in that desert. Number 2, flat land between two hills, that is valley. And life is very difficult in valley. They were coming to the lower region, lower part of that area, and then they were buying all those things and going again in that particular area. So that life is very difficult over there. Now number 3, you are at a place where there are large number of trees. Large number of trees, it means you are standing in a forest area. Now number 4, you are standing on a raised flat land, you are on a plateau. Now last, that is you are on a land which is higher than the nearby area and has a slope, then you are standing on a hill. So with this we have finished our different landform, 3/4 of our water found in different water bodies, and most of the water we cannot use for drinking and for doing our work because that water we were found in ocean and seas. So now we'll come to our next topic of today, that is music makers. A little bit easy topic than that different landform. Music makers means one who make music, they comes in the category of music makers. Now music makers required some of the instrument to make music. Like this they cannot or they won't be able to make music. They required some of the instrument to make music. So here on this page you have been given with some of the instrument. You will see that instrument and then read the clues which is given, and then you will answer the question. Now number 1, that is Doom, 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 as you bang, I come alive and make you dance. So here you can see in the picture also what is this? That is drum. That is a pair of drum is given. Now doom, 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 as you bang, I come alive and make you dance. So here you can see in the picture that is drum. Now number 2, hold me to your lips and blow through the hole. My sweet sound will reach your soul. So quite important instrument, and that is very old instrument from your history, that is flute. Flute, you will find it out that Krishna ji is also playing a flute, and flute has a vast history behind it. Fine. And it is made up of wood and small holes were there, and when we blow through these holes, then a sweet sound will reach. Now number 3, we are a pair of drums with ropes tied around. Now small pair of drums with the ropes tied around means आस पास इसके पास हमने क्या बांधा हुआ है? We have tied rope, and we use, or you have to use both hands to hear our sound. So this is your tabla. The musical instrument is tabla, and we required both the hands to play the tabla. See, different musicians also which were famous regarding these tabla, vadan and flute, that all these things, and they have made a huge name in their field. A huge name was made, and they have done a lot of musical work in their particular instrument. So that tabla is quite common. I hope you all have seen also in some musical concerts or musical program, you have seen that tabla. That is a pair of drum which is tied with rope, and you have to use your both the hands to hear the music. Now number 4, to play me, pluck my strings, my lovely music will make you sing. Now here you can see that by plucking the string you can hear the music of that is guitar. Fine. Nowadays you will find a different types of guitar, and the way they played the music, that is same, and that is very important. Now number 5, when you draw a bow across my string, the sweetest melody for you I bring. So when you draw a bow means a stick which is given with the violin, and when we draw across my string, the sweetest melody for you I bring. So the music which came out from that violin, that is. Now basically all these instruments are quite modern instrument, except few like tabla and flute. If I'll accept tabla and flute, all these instruments are quite modern instrument like drum, guitar and violin. But the music which is played is of both, is of all kind, like classical music can also played with that, and a simple music can also played with that, and tidbits is given to make music instrument can be played alone or along with other instrument in an orchestra. Now what is that? Only I was talking about. In an orchestra means a number of instruments are played together. Now all these instruments were not played by one person in an orchestra. In orchestra we have different person, and they will make a harmony by doing practice and all, and then they were played together in an orchestra, and then good rhythm and in a good way, and that is representation is very nice, and with that representation, that is a part of that orchestra. So now what we have done, music makers, in music makers we have seen few of the clues which help you to find it out what are these musical instrument. So let's revise. First one is doom doom doom. As you bang, I come alive and make you dance. That is your drum. Okay, nowadays it is a quite fashion of drum. If you will go in any concert or in orchestra or in any musical or any simple program also, you will find that drum. Now in drum you will find it out different rhythm, because it is consisted of 5 drums and with 2 plates, and different music can be present from that. Some this kind of a drum is also used in that parade also. So that is whole pair is called quite important, that is drum set, whole drum set. Now hold me to your lips and blow through the hole, my sweet sound will reach your soul. So what is this? That is your flute. Now number 3, we are a pair of drums with ropes tied around. You have to use both hands to hear our sound. So next is your tabla, and in tabla you required both the hands to hear the sound. Pair of drums. Now number 4, to play me, pluck my string, my lovely music will make you sing. Now here the fourth one is your guitar, quite important instrument which help you to make music. So okay, I was talking about different types of guitar nowadays. We have electric guitar, we have acoustic guitar, and these guitars were have different ways to play it, and different music can be made from these guitars. Now number 5, when you draw a bow across my string, the sweetest melody for you I bring, that is your violin. And violin again an important instrument for today. Now what I have told you, tidbits I have told you, that instrument can be played alone. To make music, instrument can be played alone or along with other instrument. In an orchestra, a number of instruments are played together. So children, what we have done today we have done revision of 2 pages, that is different landforms, and another one that is little bit easier than different landforms we have seen desert area, we have seen plateau, valley, then we have seen hill area, forest, all these. And what are the utility of all these landform, how the people are living on these landform and how they are surviving over there, that we have seen. And how the life is difficult on that particular that landform, that also we have seen. Then next what we have seen the second page, that is music maker. Again an important topic, music makers. Music is not made itself, either it is played alone with the some instrument is a main part of playing music or making music. So we have seen here few of the instrument, few of them are quite common from olden times, but few of them are new from our generation, so that we have seen. So children, now I am going to finish our class here. I hope this these 2 pages are quite clear to you all. Now you all will revise it, and then we are going to meet in our next class. That's all for today, children. Have a good day.